Hey guys and gals, Uncle Smitty here. Today we're talking about body patch repair panels. Now this truck came into my shop for new front fenders and door hinge pins. I'm not going to try to open the door right now because it'll drop down and I won't be able to get it closed. As you can see, this truck also needs bed work because it's dropped down about 2 inches lower than the rest of the truck. This truck really should have had an exorcism, but he brought it in for the fenders. But right now we're focused on the body patch repair panels. He did this himself, which is fine. It worked out great, but I know for a fact that all the rust is right down here, sort of like the doors. So today's episode, what we're going to talk about is just because you buy a panel and it comes a certain size, it doesn't mean you have to use the entire panel. Again, another example. Let's go inside and see how we do it right. A little something to know here when installing rust repair panels on your vehicle. Right here we got cab corners and rocker panels rusted out, and here's our replacement cab corner. It's going to be a full corner, nice body line there that matches up, but just because the panel that you buy is this size doesn't mean you need to use the whole panel when all your rust is right down here. For example, on vehicles like this that have a molding, I like to remove the molding and make my cut right along here. It's less body work you have to do. Naturally, you have to weld it all in and fill it, but you can put this molding back on, and that'll hide a lot of your body work. Coming around here. Now over here, you can see we already have our rocker panel mocked up on this side, ready to be welded in. And on this here cab corner, you can see there's the body line I was telling you about, and here's the body line from the cab corner. But we didn't need all that. This is solid up here. You don't need that. So put that over there. That's where we keep that. And then we're going to weld this in right here. So naturally, you want to remove all the rust. You want to weld it all in nice and solid. But just because a panel is a certain size doesn't mean you have to use the whole panel. You just use what you need.